Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Yamaha MT125 2020. It's a pretty good looking bike, but unfortunately I will show you the parts are smashed up, scratched off. Basically the bike is pretty rough for the age. The mileage is not bad, so it's still 2k miles on the clock, so the bike is actually should be looking pretty good, but unfortunately not in this case. Right, so every single bike I made is going to be the minimum of 5 videos to 15 videos about the removal, fairings, the tongues, engines, wheels and etc. As you see my channel, there's so many videos actually for so many different models and countries and maids, and you know, you can see my videos. There is from the 1000cc bike to 125 and even a 50cc. So yeah, but this video is going to be just about the fairing removal. As you see, this one is damaged. What I'm going to do, we're going to remove this one, show you step by step how to remove the rear fairing, and also I will make the separate videos. I don't want to make one video how I completely take every single part of the bike. I reckon each fairing, each job I do is just a separate video. The more videos on the channel, and it's not going to take 20 minutes to watch how to remove stuff on the bike. Yeah, so this video is going to be about this fairing, the rear one, step by step how to remove it. Next videos definitely will come up about this fairing, the tongue cover, that will come off. Also the headlight, as you see, the little fairing on the headlight is being damaged as well, so we're going to take that one off. It's going to be another video, and the wheels in the video look pretty cool, pretty good, but I will respray them, probably same color because that's what they come 2020 2021. These colors are pretty famous now, so I'll definitely leave this color, and I just will respray them. So I'll show you how to remove the wheels, front one, the rear one, also the brakes, and yeah, there's gonna be so many videos. Check my channel, subscribe, follow me. You know, it's just my channel is about to help you to save the money as much as you can. Maybe these little tips will give you a little clue, and you don't have to go to garage and pay silly money just to replace some silly part on the bike. Probably the cheaper, easy way to do it. You will learn something, and also you're going to be proud of yourself because you fixed the problem, not even going to garage. So yeah, check my channel out, and let's check this video how to remove the rear fairing on Yamaha MT125 2020. Okay. So basically what we need is a 12mm socket, negative screwdriver, and also your Allen key the end as well. So what we're going to do, we start with the key. Place your key in the seat. Get your main seat off. That's number one. Number two, we need to remove this little pin in here from the rear seat. Use your negative screwdriver, that pops out with no problem whatsoever. Then you got the little boy up there, which is a 12mm. Use your spanners, whatever you can to use it. Comes off pretty easy. Comes off with no struggle, like that. Right, we got this 12mm boy in here. We don't want to lose these parts, and your rear seat should come off. As you see, just push it from the back, push it from the back to the front, and it comes off like that. So we got the seat off. Now we concentrate to remove these little boys in here. Use the Allen key for that. It's going to be just a short video. Loads of videos will come up about this bike. Like I said, the wheel removal, the tank cover removal. As you see, this fairing is damaged, so I bought the new fairing. Have to be resprayed also as well. There's basically a couple of bolts in here. It's really easy to remove them as well. The one thing I didn't see is another one in here, which is a little bit bigger size, but first of all let's remove this boy in here. That one off. We don't want to lose them because remember we have to put them back as well. Lovely. So now we take a big Allen key and just remove this bolt in here. Right, so we changed the end, it's a little bit bigger of what we can use in here. Comes off really easy, as I expected. So just to be careful, that will come off in a second, which it does because it's basically broken. Not surprised. And this piece come off as well, and that's how we actually look so far. Also, so you see we just actually removed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buoys. These 4 are exactly the same size. This one is a little bit bigger. And the one more thing, because it's been broken, you see there is another one in here. And as we can see, this is a little buoy, just like that. It's been broken, but yeah. So basically got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all together. It honestly takes you 5 minutes to remove this piece in here. Basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the paint shop and try to match the colour, or they give them a colour code, which I don't know, and see what they will end up with. But that's going to be replaced and resprayed also as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully you find yourself little tips in here. As you see, easy done. Lots of people already used, probably they know what they do, but a lot of people never did it, so probably they're scared to go to the garage. Oh, they're scared to actually do themselves because it could end up a disaster. But as you see, not really. Yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe and smash that like button as well.